should take it slow.
Survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darling, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribing and still here, we go, thank you so much. I love you. But this time I'm seeing your girl, seeing my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed with any of the content that I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado, guys, this is a Loot Crate anime exclusive, darlings. I am so excited. I feel like I've been so out of whack with this whole unboxing situation with Loot Crate, and you know I still live for them. Keep them coming, Loot Crate, because I am here for it. I'm living for it. Yes. I am not even here to ramble, honeys. I'm gonna get right into this. So I'm gonna get my trusted tweezers and I'm going to open up this box. Oh my god. Okay, I thought this, first of all, you know me, the box is flat, guys, like super flat. I've never had a flat box from Loot Crate anime ever. It threw me off a bit when it came, because I was just like, what is this? This is so flat. And I've just opened it, and as you can see by my initial face was like, oh my god, like what is going on here? So you know I am always living for their boxes. So yes, this is their boxes. I love it. I'm loving that. And I love you guys' writing, Japanese, Chinese. I think the writing is just beautiful. Korean, all of those type of things. I think your writing is just the bomb. I'm going to flip everything back to where it was so that I can see what I'm doing, because I kind of just dropped everything out of the box. But the first thing, sweeties, that we see in the box is this beautiful t-shirt. Oh my god, you are not alone. You see that? You are not alone. I am here with, that means I stop before it's copyright, you know what I'm saying? Hey, this is so cute, and it's my favorite color. Oh my god, guys, I am living for this. Oh my days, are you seeing all this? Are you seeing all of this? I am so excited. Yay! I have an exclusive neon Genesis, I hate all these names, Evangelion Eva 01 t-shirt. Yes, and it says, when 14-year-old Shinji is contacted by his estranged father and brought to Tokyo free, he is drafted into a fight to save humanity from giant angels. He just has to be brave and climb inside Eva 01 first. Getting into this t-shirt is a lot less terrifying. Yes, it is. Oh my days, I am feeling this t-shirt, guys. This is very cute, very cute and humongous. The reason why all my t-shirts are really big, yes, one is because I am big, but two is because I generally didn't know their sizing at all. I buy a lot of clothes and stuff online, and I have been so duped in, oh, this is XXL, but what they don't tell you is their XXL, not England, not American, where XL is normal sizes, it's meant to be big, but their sizes, their XXL or their XL or their extra large or large is literally their large, which is this big, literally. So I went for the highest one, thinking that even if it didn't come out as a large, it will be big, it'll be okay to fit me. But little did I know that they got their sizes right, too right. And these t-shirts that's been coming have been and I love it. I love baggy t-shirts. I'm living for it. Let's just face it, I ain't small. But then we go in with the 7 deadly sins. Yes, and it's a little tote bag. This is cute. Look, you got the characters on the front. Oh, I am living. Should we say it again? I am living for this. I am living for it. I love it. This is cute. My little shopping bag. Loot Crate, you got me covered with the shopping bag. So, oh my god, this is fairy tale, sweeties. This is a fairy tale book, and it is created by Hiro Mishima, and it's Rhodonite, guys. He is from Fairy Tale, and he is the Man of Steel. Oh my days, look at this. all this goodness. My son is going to try and teeth this off me because he is so into fairy tale. I got him into fairy tale and he literally lives for them, the characters, the fighting, the everything. It is so cute. I love the whole story with the whole magic in the world, how, you know, it's basically running out and only certain people can use it. If you know fairy tale, you know what I'm talking about. I am living for this. This is very cute, and I always love their books because they don't give you no little dibby crappy books. They give you serious books. So then we go into their pins. I'm so happy that they still have their pins because you know me, I'm a geek. I love their pins. I'm living for it. And this is Overlord. Yeah, this is an Overlord pin. So this is what it looks like, guys. Are you seeing this? Yes. Can you see all the detail? Hold on. I'm loving that. It just looks like everyone's getting blown up and getting broke up and getting mashed up and lava and fire and brimstone. I love it. I live for it. Sickening. So then we go on to assassination. Oh my god, it's a lanyard. Yeah, it's a lanyard, and it's a cute little. Are you seeing this? It's so cute. It's got all the little characters on the side. That is so, I am living for that. That is cute. Sorry for the in and out, but then you have the man, or the thing himself. We all know he's a bit, yep, there he is. I'm feeling that. That is so cute. And you know me, I'm extra. I have to put on something that belongs to my box, and it will be this today. Yes. So that is it. I don't see anything else. Everything did fly out of the box, but that is it. That is what you get. This one is Brave. This is a Brave edition loot box, and it goes whether you are up against alien invaders, evil armies, or your own fears. Sometimes you gotta put on a brave face, find your courage, and just get in the robot. Yeah, this is wicked. I love it because, you know, the fairy tale, very clever with the fairy tale because he had a lot of fears himself, rode the night, and then obviously some deadly sins, you know how that goes. And yes, I love it. I love it. It's cute. It's not over the top. It's just exactly the things that you would need. And then we are greeted with the assassination classroom poster. Can you see, everybody? That is the poster that you get, and obviously on this side it tells you all the things that you get in this box. So this is the Brave edition, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Brave edition, and I am living for it. I'm still not disappointed. I know a lot of people be saying I should be disappointed because, you know, the box was like this, that, and the third, but I wasn't here. I didn't have the boxes them times. I don't know where they've come from and where they are now. I just know that I'm a geek and these are cute things to go into my collection. So Loot Crate, keep them coming. You're doing an amazing job in my eyes anyway. So it's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. That's none of your love and your order anybody needs, sweetie, and I'll catch you. Yes, you. The one that came to the end of the video, hand with your girl. I'll catch you, sweetie, on another video. Mwah! Yes.
Maybe you should take